like the best, and then you fold it, just like the rest. I guess that talk really is cheap when you don't mean something you say, nor have the strength to carry through hollow words paired with a hollow heart. Call me naive, but I still believe that this stands for something. Call me naive, but I still believe in promises and conviction. If you don't feel this way, if it means something to you, if it was just something to me, then get the fuck out. There is nothing